Welcome back to Miller Majesty Mentorship on reverse pattern. So this is lesson 3 of 6. If you are yet to go through the previous lesson 1 and 2, you can go through it right now. So we are going to be discussing about triple top and then how institutional traders trade triple top, their perspective about the trade and then their perspective about the pattern. So this is a transforming video, transforming you from a retail trader and becoming an institutional trader. So let's get started right now. Let's consider this area as triple top for the sake of this video. You can see price get to this level and then we have a retracement downward, and also price return back to the same price level the second time. Now we have a nice bearish movement before price get to the same level the third time. So let's do a little comparison of what other people teach on their YouTube channel compared to what I'm going to be teaching you right now on how to trade or react to triple top. So this was some of the YouTube traders teach on their YouTube channel. So they call this level a triple top. So let me write a triple top right there. So they call this level triple top. And also they call this level they call it a resistance, a support line. So they call this level a support line or neckline. So they call this level neckline. So let me type in neckline here, so for better understanding. Neckline. So this was some of the YouTubers teach on their YouTube channel. So every single time you see market break this level, that's where they're going to start finding their entry. So they are going to find their entry from here. They're going to take a short position from here, and then they're going to set their stop loss. I don't know where they're going to set their stop loss. And also, but their take profit, they always say their take profit projection from a triple top to the neckline. So they'll project the same movement from this triple top to this neckline. So let's just project from this neckline to triple top the movement. So let's project that line. So the market is going to move in opposite direction in the same length also. So they're going to say that take profit here. So this is what many YouTubers on YouTube teach you guys on how to trade triple top, because they are not aware of the market. They are not aware of the reason why price is doing what it's doing. They are not aware of why price is going up or the reason why price is going up or down. They are just doing anything they want by themselves. So this is what we trade as an institutional trader. Every single time we see this pattern, we don't even use pattern. We study the price. So before you trade, okay, let me just delete all these things to teach you how institutional traders trade this level. So let me delete all this. Okay, we don't use all this neckline or projection line or triple top. No, we study the market. We study the market to know the reason why price is doing what it's doing. So before you can consider this level now as a triple top, or before you can consider, okay, from here we are going bearish. How do you know that we are going bearish? How do you know that this price is likely to form a triple top? How do you know that? No retail traders know the answer. But this is how we trade it. So you have to consider what happens past history, past events, past price level. You have to consider those levels to know what is going to happen in the future, so you can predict the future. So for example, you can see we have a bullish movement from this level. We have a bullish movement to this level. So you have to study this movement to know maybe price is already going up or coming down. So we have to study this level carefully. So this is how we study it. So from this level, you can see we have a nice bullish movement forming expansion. So we call it higher high. Then we have another higher low here. Can you see? We have another higher high here. We have another higher low here. We have another higher high here. We have another higher low here. Then we have another higher high here. Can you see? What's happening in the market? There are rules to this game. There are rules to trading. All these things are controlled by algorithm. So you have to understand the way and the logic the algorithm is using to trade, to move price. So you can see this higher low. This higher low is not breaking this higher low. This higher low also is not breaking this higher low. This higher low is not breaking this higher low. But what happened there? This one ended up breaking the structure. So we call this level break of structure. As an institutional trader, we call this level break of structure. Sorry, let me just reduce the PS. So we call this level break of structure. So every single time market breaks structure, we wait for price to return back to a level called order block, or to return back to a level. It depends on which level it's going to fill a void, to fill fair value gap and all those stuff. So I'm going to teach you every single thing on this channel. So you can see we have a break of structure here. So what banks are telling us, like, we are no more going bullish again, now we are going bearish. And there's a place bank has placed their entry, so you also have to place your entry alongside with them. How do you know that this is where bank placed their entry? Because you have a break of structure here. You have a break of structure here. So how do I enter into the market? So this is how you are going to enter into the market. Let me delete this. So from here, your order block is set. You set your entry here. Then you set your stop loss. Okay. You set your entry here. Then you set your stop loss above. At the tip of the previous swing high, because market is not going to reach there. How do I know that? You can see that market is likely, like, it may a little bit to break it, but it's not going to break it because there are rules to it. Let me just delete this and show you something. Let me delete this. So watch what happened there. Can you see? This one is not going above this. No, it's not going to go above it, because it's algorithm that control the market. It's algorithm that control price, and the algorithm is very precise, very perfect. Can you see? So that's why you're going to be setting your stop loss in the tip of the previous swing high. So let me return it back. So you're going to enter into the trade from here, and then you're going to set your entry here. Your stop loss is going to be here. Okay, let me move it. So your stop loss is going to be at the tip of the previous swing high. So where should I sell my take profit? The other time I showed you that market is going on a bullish trend. Now banks are telling us that we are not going on a bullish trend. Now we are going on a bearish trend, on a bearish movement. So every single higher low from here, this higher high, then higher low, higher high, then higher low, higher high, then higher low. So this higher low is already taken in the market. Where is the next higher low to be taken? Yeah, right there. Can you see? So there's liquidity here, because a lot of people are going to, like, some people using order block also, they are going to be okay, there's order block here. They're going to send their entry here because they don't know the reason why price is doing what it's doing. They don't have the full knowledge of how to trade order block. Don't worry, on this channel I'm going to teach you every single thing you need to know about order block, and then how to trade it perfectly. Can you see? You have the next liquidity here. So this is the next higher low. So price has to go below this level. Then where's the next one? Can you see? You have it there. So from here you can set your take profit there, because you know that price is going to reach that level. Reason why, to take liquidity. Can you see? You have a very nice movement here. A very nice movement. More than 1:10. Yes, I think so. Okay, close to 1:10. Not more than, close to 1:10. Rather than you entry your trade from this place, this is what many people teach on their YouTube channel. So this is where you're going to be finding your entry, because they don't understand the reason price is doing what it's doing. So don't take my word for it. Don't take my word for it. Go to your chart. Let me delete all this. Go to your chart and go and look at every single place you are seeing triple top. Any single place you see triple top in the price or in the markets, then look at what happened before we have the retracement downward. Look at what happened before price retrace downward. Can you see? There will always be a break of structure. So when there's a break of structure here, price afterwards to return back. Price afterwards to return back to that level and then retrace downward. But it's not going to break the previous swing high, because the algorithm that control the price is very precise and very accurate. So that's just it. Don't take my word for it. Go to your chart and go and find this out by yourself. That's when you're going to know it. That's when you're going to know it. Yes. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And also I wish you good luck and good trading. See you guys in my next video. Bye.